The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda. What if I told you the peaceful night sky you love is lying to you? The stars may look calm, but two of the largest galaxies in our neighborhood are actually speeding toward a cosmic smash-up. Yep, our very own Milky Way is heading straight into a galactic collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. They're coming at each other at nearly 400,000 kilometers per hour. You won't feel it, but this slow-motion train wreck is already in motion. Now here's the twist. Despite being called a collision, it won't be explosive chaos with stars blowing up everywhere. Galaxies are mostly empty space. So when they merge, most stars will pass right by each other like ships in the night. But gravitational forces will go haywire. Entire solar systems, maybe even ours, could be flung into totally new positions, like cosmic billiard balls. And when it's all done, we'll no longer be in the Milky Way. Future astronomers, if any exist, will live in a completely new galaxy, already nicknamed Milkomeda. The sky will look wildly different, bright, warped, and filled with stars from both galaxies swirled together in one enormous shape. You and I won't be around to witness this. But this event is real, it's coming, and it's one of the most incredible things the universe has in store. Isn't it insane that two massive galaxies are destined to dance, slowly, silently, and reshape everything?